Before you consider buying the Atlas Finance app, here are 12 important things you need to know. If you're comparing it to other apps like Mint or YNAB, it's crucial to understand how Atlas stacks up in terms of features, ease of use, and overall value. Stick around till the end, and we'll give you a better option that you can try for free. First, Atlas is an all-in-one personal finance app designed to help users manage their budget, track expenses, and plan for the future. It promises simplicity and powerful features, but does it really deliver? Let's find out. Next thing to note, the user interface. Atlas boasts a clean, minimalistic design, which is great for beginners. If you've tried more complex apps like YNAB or Mint, you'll appreciate the straightforward navigation. However, it may feel a bit too basic for advanced users who need deeper customization. The third thing is budgeting. Atlas allows you to set up various budgeting categories and track your spending against them. It's effective for those who just want a simple way to see where their money is going. However, if you're looking for more detailed reporting or the ability to create highly specific categories, this may not be as robust as some competitors. Moving on, the app's expense tracking features. Atlas automatically categorizes your transactions, which is a nice touch. But, like many other apps, it can struggle with accuracy at times, especially with transactions that don't have clear merchant data. Expect to manually adjust some of your entries from time to time. Now, let's talk about syncing with accounts. Atlas supports a wide range of banks and credit cards, which is essential for most users. However, syncing can sometimes be slower compared to other apps like Mint, which offers near instantaneous updates. Next, Atlas offers goal-setting features where you can set specific financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. It's a useful tool, but if you want more advanced features like automatic contributions or projections based on your spending habits, you might want to consider other options like YNAB. The seventh point, security. Atlas takes your privacy seriously with 256-bit encryption, which is standard in the industry. However, it lacks some advanced security features found in apps like Mint, such as two-factor authentication. So keep that in mind if security is a top priority for you. Next thing, Atlas offers a premium version with added features like custom categories and a deeper dive into financial insights. However, the free version covers the basics fairly well. If you're just looking to track spending and budgeting without a lot of bells and whistles, the free version might be enough for you. The ninth thing is customer support. Atlas provides decent support with a knowledge base and email contact options, but it doesn't have a live chat feature, which is something you'll find in more premium finance apps like Mint or YNAB. The 10th point, the reporting tools. Atlas includes basic reports to visualize your spending trends. If you're someone who likes to break down expenses in multiple formats or need highly customizable reports, this app may leave you wanting more. Alternatives like Mint or Personal Capital provide more robust financial analysis features. Now, let's talk about updates. While Atlas is consistently updated with new features, they tend to roll out slowly, and the app sometimes lags behind competitors when it comes to implementing the latest financial tools or integrations. The 12th and final thing is pricing. Atlas offers a competitive pricing model, with the premium version being fairly affordable. However, when compared to free apps like Mint, or apps that include more robust features like YNAB, the premium costs might feel a bit steep for some users. So, is Atlas a good option? Yes, it's solid for those looking for simplicity and basic finance tracking. But if you're looking for something more advanced or feature-rich, there are better options out there. For a better experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free today.